How to recover hacked Facebook account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search facebook.com. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Forgot Password, which is below Login. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, add your Facebook name. After you have added your Facebook name, simply click on Continue. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Try Another Way. You will find all these options pop up. Click on No longer have access to these. Then if Facebook recognize your device, it will simply log in. You will need to have this account logged in before. As you can see, it is showing try another device to continue as this account has never been logged in this device. This is how to recover hacked Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more about question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.